Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to English Holic. This video I'm going to show you a little bit difference between two words which are very confused. Well, it's house and home. Well, what's the difference between these two words? In my opinion, this is a very big problem. You can see a lot of students facing this problem, but they couldn't really find out a right way, which is the main difference between these two, and this video is going to answer you. So let's go. The first difference is about article. Well, you can see home can be used without articles, but house not. Well, how? You can say last night I left the house, but you can't say last night I left the home. You should say last night I left home. That's okay. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, please resume the video. So the next difference is about preposition. Well, what can be difference with preposition? Well, it's a very good point here. Well, a home can be used as an adverbial direction without to. So you can use home without to. Like, I think I'll go back home. This is right. But if you write or say I think I'll go back to home, that's not right. And if you say I think I'll go back house, that's wrong, because house is not an adverbial direction. So you have to use the home, and if you use house, then you should use a, an, or the. Sorry, a or the. So I think I'll go back. Sorry, I was in the preposition, so you have to use to. I think I'll go back to house. That's right. And the last and it's a very important part. It's the difference of emotion. Well, house is emotionally a neutral word. There's no emotion connecting to this, but home is connected to emotion. It's a place where someone lives in, grew up, and also gained the ideas, the knowledge. So you can say it's really connected to your heart, to your emotion. In that case, you can say, well, I'll need a house to rent. But you should not say I'll need a home to rent, because it's your emotion. You can say in that case, since it's a long time I didn't go home back. It was about this. So differences 3: articles, prepositions, and emotion. Hope this was helpful for you. If it, please give a like, comment, share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, Allah Hafiz.